Fits your favorites. T-outliner blades are compatible with Andis T-outliner 04850, 04575, 04555, 04945, Andis T-outliner Cordless, Andis Blackouts, Andis GTX, GTO, and Go. Deep Tooth. T-outliner Deep Tooth blade feeds more hair and may also be used for detailing hair, beards, and mustaches. Easy to install. These clipper blade replacements are simple to install, simply follow the directions, which is quite handy. Heat resistant. The heat-resistant close-cutting high-tech ceramic T-blade provides a cooler and more pleasant smooth cutting experience. Product details. Andis 04850, GTX Deep Tooth measures 0.25 by 4.7 x 3.7 inches and weighs 0.88 ounces. The longevity of the blade life can be extended by oiling it before every use. T-blade trimmers, like the Andis T-outliner, are favored by barbers for their ability to cut crisp outlines and designs. The GTX T-outliner Deep Tooth blade allows longer hair to feed through the blade faster and can be used for light fading. Trimmers used with attachment combs are perfect for beard maintenance. Andis Company has been crafting professional-grade tools since 1922. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Fast next-day delivery. Perfect fit. Next-day delivery.